Today we're changing the cord on a Samsung stove or range. Now, first and most important thing you want to do before you install the stove cord is install the cord restraint. That's what I'm doing right now, and it's a lot easier if you can put it together and pop it in. So once you get it in, make sure you have an opening so you are able to insert the cord into it. Now, once you get the cord up and into it, don't tighten it down until you're able to connect all your wires. Once your wires are connected, then you can finish tightening the cord restraint. Now, the copper jumper, it's called a jumper, that piece that we just took off, you remove the ground screw that was on the body of the stove, and now we're connecting it back to the white wire in the middle. The reason for that, if you're connecting a 4-wire hookup, you disconnect that. You do not leave that connected to the body. Now, where the green screw was, your green wire is going to go there. Okay? Now, go ahead and loosen your screws or remove your screws. It will depend on your cord. The cord I'm using, it's an older style. The customer wanted to keep her cord. Her cord was good. So we're just going to change the cord, put it to the new stove. Now the company, the installers, if you don't purchase a new cord, they will not install your old cord. That's your decision. Now, a lot of these guys, when they connect these stoves, they don't understand exactly how to connect them properly. So this is a good video to watch. It shows exactly how it should be done safely and correctly. Just be careful. If you do not connect your stove properly, you are sending power to the body of the stove. In the event of a short or wet floor or a certain situation, you could potentially get zapped. It is that crucial. One more thing, guys. Make sure that your screws are tight. Don't go crazy on them, but make sure they're snug. You should not be able to move any of the connectors. All right? Other than that, you're good to go. Make sure everything is nice and safe. Put your cover back on. Make sure nothing is touching metal, meaning the cover or the body of the stove. The only one should be touching ground is your green wire. All right. Finish tightening up your cord restraint. Make sure the cord cannot move. That will cause problems as well. So make sure it is tight as you move or try to tug on it. All right? Other than that, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.